The fastest, most dynamic, and most transformational opportunity to grow your restoration franchise is to become a full-service contractor by adding rebuild to your service offerings. No amount of local marketing and no number of TPAs could add as much revenue as quickly as becoming full service, and you don't have to add a single new customer to reach this increase. The typical mitigation job in the US is $2,500 and earns a 75% profit margin. The typical rebuild for that same average-sized mitigation loss is $10,000 and can earn as much as a 50% profit. If a startup restoration company completed a single job a week over the span of a year and did both mitigation and construction, they would produce $650,000 of revenue and a profit of about $350,000 versus $130,000 of revenue doing mitigation only. What kind of company do you want to run? One that produces $750,000 of revenue completing 300 jobs, or one that produces $650,000 completing 52 jobs? Yes, it really is a no-brainer. For a typical full-service company, construction revenue should produce not less than 3 times the company's mitigation revenue. If you are a $500,000 mitigation company, your construction services should produce no less than $1.5 million, making you a $2 million business. How attractive is that proposition? Many contractors enter the mitigation industry knowing very little, if anything, about mitigation, but they learn. They gain the help of franchises, associations, consultants and others, and they learn their trade, and many become very, very good at it. Adding construction services is just like that. The owner doesn't need to have a construction background, they don't need to strap on the tool belt and go hang drywall, and they don't need to grab a paintbrush either. They need to manage their business and gain the help of professionals who do know how to do these things, just like they did when they started the mitigation side of their business. Many mitigation contractors have figured this out, both franchises and independents. If you want a company built to last, and a company that you can one day sell that is worth enough to retire on, you can't do it without construction services. Becoming a full-service professional is the very best way to grow your restoration business, bar none.